Alright, so to get your hinge pin out, this is always a mother to get out. Tape off your car. Yourself an air chisel. And a point. Almost out.
Almost. Gotta go thinner.
Just make sure you tape off with some boxes. Protect your car if you've got a fresh paint job on it. And you need to put a mirror pin, hinge pin in with the threads on top. This doesn't have the threads on top, and the body shop forgot to put the pin in that I ordered. So now we're here trying to get the pin out. I know they have tools that go around this to extract this pin, but you jeopardize scratching the whole hinge here. So we're trying to do this painless, so we're just using an air chisel, like you see here, and just putting a pointy implement on the end of it to try to just hammer this out. Or you can use an air hammer. You can also try taking the door off and lay it down on the table with some cloth or some blankets, and also try to knock this pin out. But we're trying to do this without chipping the paint. Coming?
You gotta get it from the top up.
So put a pair of vice grips on that, and then maybe hammer the vice grips up. That's what we do next. Once I think you get this far, then I would just put a pair of vice grips here, clamp it down, and then you can have the handle of the vice grip sticking outward, and you can hammer this up and out. But at least you could use the air chisel or the air hammer to get you started. And then before you start damaging the door, start doing it by hand. There you go. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yes. And there you have it. Sweet.
Which pin you using?
Right. So now these are your pins that you buy that have the threads on top for your aftermarket mirrors to work with. And these say standard on them. So standard is right there, 8mm. Now they have first oversized and even second oversized. So you're going to have to try these pins out and see what works. If these go in real easy, then of course I think you're going to have to go with an oversized. But for the most part, you know, it gets tight right here where the grooves are. And that's what digs into the hinge. So, but that's it. They're not expensive, but this is how you do it. So you're just going to set the pin up and then get an implement to go into the cup here on the top of the pin and just hammer it straight down. You might need to put a little lube, a little WD-40 or something, but that's why we like to do this is, of course, with the door closed and everything seems to still be lined up, and we still got the pin down here, so it kind of keeps everything in a line. But if you start to hit a wall, you know, you might be off here on the hinge. You know, something's not centered right, so part of the center section might be off or whatnot. So just be careful. Nice. It's going.
Is it?
Yeah. Yep. Almost there. Yep. That's it.
That's it.
Sweet.
Yep. We're done.
All right. Home for the day. See you
That's
later.
it.
All right, everybody. See you later. it.